So we're going to start with this hair video, and this hair is from Juliahair. I'm just showing you a quick unboxing and everything that comes in your package when you receive it. You get eyelashes, a receipt, and your bundles, whatever you ordered. I got a frontal in 3 bundles, and I'm going to show you the inches of the bundles because I might mess it up. Okay, so I got a 18, 20, and 22 inch bundles and an 18-inch frontal. I'm showing you guys how the bundles is packaged, and this is how the frontal came. The density on this hair is a lot. I mean, it's curly hair, so the hair is very nice and big once you apply it, and once you make your unit or install it, whatever you choose to do, the hair will become very thick and big. This is the bundles. I am just running my hand through it and just separating the curls to see how big it will get. And I'm showing you guys that is absolutely no shedding of the hair, and that is a plus, especially with curly hair. I'm also showing you guys how much weft you get with each bundle. You get a good amount, and yeah, so this is the completed unit that I made, and I'm just installing the unit, and I'm pretty much just adjusting it to my head and making sure it fits my head properly. I'm just seeing how well the lace blends in with my skin. Yeah, I did bleach and tint the frontal. I am still working on how to properly tint a frontal and tint the lace. So yeah, that's something I'm still working on. It's getting better. It's just certain things that I still have to tweak. So this cap that I have underneath my wig is super old. That's why the sides are up. I didn't feel like, putting on a new cap and all that stuff, just because it's too much. So I literally just applied the glue on my actual skin and tried to avoid getting it on my hair around that side where the cap has lifted up. I just applied 2 layers of the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm using my hair dryer to make sure that the glue is dried clear. And then we're going to go in and actually tack the lace down on top of the glue. And make sure that we line it up correctly, and then just push it into our skin so that the lace can melt into our skin and melt with the glue. You want to make sure that the glue dries absolutely clear, because if it doesn't, then the glue will actually melt through the lace, and then you'll have that glue residue coming through the lace, and it will just be a complete mess. So right now, I'm going to start by doing my baby hairs. I just parted out a little bit of the hairline, and I'm just going in and plucking some more, just because I feel like the hairline was a little bit too thick for me. That's one thing I have to say about this hair. I'm not sure if it was the way I tinted it, but I felt like the lace was a little bit too dark for me. And the lace was very thick, and also the hairline of this frontal was very thick as well. I think that also has to do with the texture, Brazilian curly. They try to pack so much hair on the frontal so that the frontal isn't thin, because I know they know that when people order curly hair, majority of the time they want the curly hair to be big. So that was a thing. I felt like there was so much hair on this frontal, and it was hard to tweeze to have it look natural, but I tried my best, and I think I did a pretty good job with the end result. So yeah, I'm just going in and doing my baby hairs. There's not a specific way that I like to do my baby hairs, just however, whatever looks right. So I just went ahead and used some mousse and a little bit of the Got to Be glued in the black bottle, and went ahead and applied this on my baby hairs, and then just used my eyebrow razor and just cut off some of that hair. So after we have our baby hairs set, I'm just going ahead and cleaning up my part in the middle. I felt like it was a little bit too close. As you guys can see, I feel like the tint worked perfectly on my parting because it's as light as, you know, it looks pretty natural. My part looks natural. But as for the actual hairline, I felt like it was a little bit too dark. That might have something to do with the lace. But yeah, as you guys can see, after I parted my part, it brought the look together completely. So now to actually style the hair, I'm just going in with my water and my conditioner, and I am just wetting the hair, flattening it down, and getting some more defined curls so that the unit can look a bit more nice and sleek. And this is pretty much all you have to do for curly hair. There's a little bit more maintenance when you're wearing it for days and days, but if you guys would like a separate video on how to actually maintain a curly unit, how to take care of it, and how to reinstall and clean the lace and all that type of stuff, then just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get that video out for you guys. Also, if you guys want me to color this unit, leave a comment down below as well. I don't know, I feel like I want to do something with color, but I just don't know what color to do. So if you guys have any ideas, then just comment down below with those. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the unit when I am completely done with it. I feel like it turned out very nice. I absolutely love this hair. I love the texture of it, and the hair does not tangle at all. It's super easy to do. So as you guys can see, it's still pretty full even when it's wet, and the texture is really nice. I just went back in with a little bit more mousse to fix my baby hairs. And yeah, you all, I really love this unit. If you guys are interested in purchasing, just check the description box down below for the link so that you guys can go on their website and check out any hair that you are interested in buying. And before we go, today's motivational quote is: start taking control and being the CEO of your own life. Hire, fire, and promote where you see fit. So with all of that being said, I would definitely see you loves in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Bye.